So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa SRI VX line on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got plenty of boot space, and that rear seat will fold down as one complete unit as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the total miles on this car are 14,095. You can change the information displayed above that using controls on the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy information, as you can see. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have stereo controls and voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you've paired the phone, and I'll show you where that's done in a moment. And on the left hand side we have cruise control just here, and speed limiter as well. Over in the centre is where we would pair the phone amongst other things, but to pair the phone, just follow those instructions on screen. If we go back a couple of pages to listen to music, you can do that, and there's various different ways of listening to music in this car. You can see that we have AM and FM radio as well as DAB digital radio. You can connect up a USB device, or once you've paired your phone, not only will you be able to make and receive phone calls, but you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. You can also connect your smartphone up via the USB cable that it came with and project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen as well. We have the city button, which makes the power steering lighter for parking, and then on the other side we have deadlocks. They're the main kind of stereo buttons. Your volume is in the center there, and that home button takes you back to this screen that we're looking at the moment. Below that we have the air conditioning. So this dial will control the temperature, then you've got fan speed, direction of the air, that button to turn the air conditioning on or off, and that button to circulate the air that's inside the car, which is a great way of cooling it down or heating it up quickly. We then have a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input that I mentioned before, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.